Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy. Today's video is going to be my IPSY unbagging and try on for March 2018. So as always, comes in the pretty shiny pink packaging. I love pink and I love shiny, so the packaging is always a win for me. If you like watching my IPSY unbaggings and my other unbaggings and unboxings, then be sure and give the video a big thumbs up for me. That lets me know that you all enjoy these videos and that I should keep filming these on the monthly basis. Go ahead and click subscribe down below if you have not already. I'd really love to have you all as part of my little YouTube family here. And click that notification bell beside the subscribe button so you be sure and get notified when I upload new videos. I do try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on in to this video. Okay, guys, I just opened up my pretty shiny pink packaging, and this is what the IPSY bag looks like this month. It is so cute. It's black and white, and it's bigger than most IPSY bags. It has the pink zipper and just little pink zipper ribbon. I do already know what's in here because I always open it up and take a peek when I get it, so I know what to put on my face and what not to for the try-on portion of this video. But let's dive in. And the first thing I see here is the City Color Glow Duo. Here is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. It looks like there is a cream highlight and then a powder highlight. Okay, let me do a couple little swatcheroos. Okay, so here are some swatches. So we have the cream one on the bottom here and then the powder one on the top here. The cream one looks very pretty. Well, they both look very pretty, but the powder one is way too dark to be a face highlight for me, but it looks like it'd be a pretty bronzing eyeshadow. That would be pretty. And the cream highlight actually looks pretty. See the reflection on that cream highlight there? My face is all set down with powder, so I don't want to put the cream highlight on top of the powder. But that looks pretty, and I'm interested to try it out. Oh, and here is the card. The theme this month is Create. Okay, next thing I see in the bag is this Hikari. I'm not sure how to pronounce that exactly. It says it is a cream pigment. Okay, it looks like a pretty bronzy gold cream pigment. Let's first do a little swatch and then try putting this on our eyes. Oh wow, that's intense. Very gold and very reflective. Okay, that's very pretty. So I'm just going to use my finger and pop some of this on the center of my eyelid. Okay, so that's pretty. Very pretty gold. Okay, I'm back. I just popped a little on the other eye so we would be good and even. But that is a very pretty gold pigment. I do really like it. Next is probably the teeniest, tiniest eyeliner I have ever seen. It is by Tarte. Look how teeny tiny that is. Okay, take the lid off and there you go. It is retractable. So let's do a swatch. Let's see how it swatches, and then we will put some in our waterline. Okay, so there's a swatch of it. It's nice and black, and it's swatched very creamy. Let's try applying this to our waterline and see what we think. Okay, It's not going on my waterline very well. Maybe it's because it's too pointy. I just put some more of it on my hand. Okay, after working with this for literally probably 3 minutes, this is what we've got. It is not the blackest eyeliner I've ever put my waterline. I like my Maybelline and L'Oreal better. It could just be this little tiny one because sometimes, you know, sample products are, for whatever reason, just not as great as the full-size product. But I don't know about this. Alright, so I just put it in the other waterline to even things out. Now, let's see what else is in this bag. Next thing I see is this guy right here. And oh my goodness, it's so gold and bright and shiny. I can barely read what it says on it. Okay, all I see on it is contour. Let's open it up. Looks like a lip liner. Let's do a swatch of it. Okay, there is the swatch of the lip liner. It's a pretty color. Definitely a color I would wear. Now let's try putting it on the lips. Okay, and here's the lip liner. It went on very smooth and creamy, and it's a very pretty neutral shade. So I like it. I like this a lot. And next, ooh, Glossier, fancy. Rosebalm.com. Can you all read that at the top there? Rosebalm.com. Glossier. So this is a lip balm, I'm assuming. And I already have a lip balm on, so I'm not going to put this on right now. Smells nice though. Let's put some on our hand, see what it looks like. Okay, so it is a very thick, like, see it on my hand there, the little dot. Let's see. Okay, there it is blended out. A sheer light pink balm. And it smells like rose. And the last thing in the box is markers. I'm assuming you can use these markers to color this bag. And that ties in with the Create theme for the month. So that's pretty cool. I do really like this bag. It feels nice and sturdy and good quality little bag. So I just added some lipstick to blend in with that lip liner so I wasn't looking too cray-cray. So that's it. That's everything in my bag this month. Let's do a little recap on it. So standout products for me is this pretty gold pigment by Hikari. Still not sure I'm pronouncing that right. This lip liner went on nice and creamy and smooth, and I really like the shade of it. This is a Xoxo product, and this, I mean, it's Glossier, and that's nice, but lip balms, I just have so many, and I feel like I get a lip balm in my bag every month, even though the last few months I have been reviewing my bags and saying lip balms are just okay because I have so many, and I have my favorites that I use all the time. I know I talked about this in my last IPSY unbagging with a lip balm that I had got. I mean, the fact that it's Glossier is really cool and nice, but lip balms, that's just, nah, whatever, you know? This Tarte eyeliner, I'm actually pretty disappointed in this. I had higher expectations from a Tarte eyeliner. I don't think I've actually ever used any Tarte eyeliners, but I had higher expectations, and it just didn't go on as smooth and black. I really had to work it back and forth, and still this is as good as it got. So this was kind of just okay. So that's all for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your IPSY bag. If you're subscribed, I always like to hear what other people got. And if you're not subscribed, let me know what you thought of the products that I got in my bag this month. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. That does really help support my channel, and I do really appreciate it. And go ahead and click that subscribe button if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos in the future. Don't forget to check out my social media handles. I always have them linked in the description bar down below. And that's all for this one, guys. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.